I am going to show you how to make homemade yogurt using milk, a little amount of yogurt, sugar, and your flavors. Hello and welcome to Cook with Antoinette T. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video. If you're a new subscriber, welcome and feel at home. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends so that they can know how to make homemade yogurt as well. So let's get started. So here we have milk. It's about 1 liter. I just boiled and it's cooling down. We also have the yogurt that we are going to use. This is a brand that we are going to use, but you can use any yogurt. This is vanilla flavor. We'll also need sugar if you prefer your yogurt being sweet. If not, you're going to leave out the sugar part. We're also going to use the flavors, the essence. But please note, the sugar and any preservatives are going to be used after 24 hours. That is after the milk ferments and forms the yogurt. So for now, it's just so simple. In our cooling milk, and you don't need it to cool completely, you still need it hot. We are going to add the yogurt and stir using muiko. Use such muiko, the one for timber. Avoid using such serving spoons. Don't use this to stir your milk and yogurt, or the spoons. Don't use them. Don't use anything steel. Just use muiko, the one that is from bao. So let's mix the yogurt and the milk. Now that our milk is mixed with the yogurt, we are going to put it in a storage container. I'm going to use this. It's a plastic one. And then store in a warm place so that the milk can cool down slowly. You don't want your milk becoming cold so fast because it won't mix well with the yogurt to form yogurt as a whole. And as an end product, we want yogurt. So you need the milk to cool down slowly, as slow as possible. You don't want it to lose heat fast. We also didn't add any preservatives so that they don't interrupt with the rate of the milk cooling down. You need it to be as pure as possible. So we are going to place the lid on the top. Don't tighten the bottle. You need the lid to be loose because of the fermentation and the gas removed so that the bottle won't expand and burst. So leave it loose and then put it in a cool place, a warm place. An idea, a locally used way, is putting this bottle in the laundry. You can take clean laundry and then putting the bottle in this standing position in between the laundry and cover it. Then wait for 24 hours. The next day, our yogurt has already formed, and this is the level now you can add your flavors and sugar. I hope you enjoyed and have learned how to make homemade yogurt and you're going to try it. Also remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends.